Hello! In front of me I've got Motorola Moto G31. In this video I'll show you how to add or remove floating shutter button in camera. Firstly, let's open camera and go to settings. Unfortunately, this phone does not have floating shutter button, but it has touch to capture feature. So now let's enter capture settings and enable tap to capture. Thanks to that, you'll be able to take a picture just by tapping on the screen. To disable it, let's go to settings again, capture settings, and disable this function. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.